Hey guys, this is Peyton at Tom with Subaru of Indianapolis. Just want to give you a quick tutorial today on the basics of the 11.6-inch multimedia screen for the new Subarus. This is a screen that you'll find in pretty much any new Subaru, aside from base models and the Subaru Forester. So starting with air conditioning controls, it's probably going to be the first thing you want to know about, assuming it's summer or winter where you're located. At the very bottom of the screen, we have a couple quick keys that don't require a menu pull-up or anything like that to change. For example, we have the fan speed here at the bottom in the middle, on and off for the entire AC system, air conditioning on and off, and then you have your heated seats located on either side here with high, medium, and low heat levels. Now there's a black box where it actually displays the temperature. Whenever you click on that, it's going to pull up this menu and you can select which vents are in use. You can also adjust the temperature here. You can sync them so that both sides have the same temperature as the driver's side. And at the top you'll see auto AC, recirculating the air inside the car, AC on and off, and max AC options. But if you don't need any of those, you'll find the fan speed like I'd mentioned at the bottom. On the sides, you have these colored arrows so you can adjust the temperature on the fly as well. Then you have your rear defrost, which is also your side mirror and your front wiper blade heating elements. And then your front defrost over here. So moving on from the AC controls, the next most popular question would be, how do I pair up my cell phone? So from the home screen, this little button icon here, it has two cell phones with a gear next to it. By clicking this, you can add a device here, and it actually walks you step by step on the touch screen. It makes it as easy as possible to pair up your cell phone. You can add up to 5 different devices by doing that. So we've done AC controls and your phone. Radio is the other big thing. I'd say those are the big 3 on the touch screen. You should have access to FM radio, AM radio, and all of our new cars come with 4 months for free of the XM radio from Sirius. You'll see down here 6 different preset options. You can program up to 18 different presets with these Subaru radios, and you can mix AM, FM, and XM radio all on that same list. Simply tune to the station you want to save by twisting this knob on the right. Hold your finger on whichever one you want to save it under for about 2 to 3 seconds, and it will save it once you hear that beep. This little graph on the top right is where you go to adjust your bass, mid, and treble ranges.
Features business is independently owned and
And you can pause and rewind live radio by clicking the replay button, rewind and pause, and then go back to current radio. Now with that, it'll only allow you to listen back as far as you've already heard. So if you tune in and it's already halfway through a song, you won't be able to go through and listen to the whole thing, unfortunately. But definitely a cool thing to have. It's a nice feature if you did hear a song that you want to hear again, or say a commercial and you didn't have time to jot down a phone number or something along those lines. Just an added benefit that you get with these Subarus. If you have any specific questions I can answer for you, I would love to make additional videos for you guys. I thought that was a good thing to go over, just the big 3 key items with your touchscreen radio and air conditioning controls. Again, this is Peyton with Tom with Subaru of Indianapolis. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how else I can help you. Have a wonderful day.